ongoing thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to a fresh video of TechTrollTv. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to search your own name ringtone in Android. So let's get in the video. So guys, you have to download this app named TechFree from Play Store. Link in the description below. Please go. After downloading this app, just open it. So friends, this is just an app. Here will be showing the thing you have saved here, which you have wrote and saved. So just there's in bottom there's a sign off plus, click on that and then write what you have to write. Like I am writing like I wrote, Rahul, you are getting call from your mom. Shubham, we are getting call from your mom. Like I wrote. Then just play. It will play like, Shubham, you are getting call from your mom. Okay. So just there's an option of pre-cited bar menu. Click on that export web file and write the name like I'm writing. Okay guys, and it will show you and saved. Just copy the storage, learn, and then go to your file manager. I'm just searching talk here. Here's my recording. Okay guys, here's the recording. So it's saved now. Just go to your settings. I'm currently using Vivo V5. So here setting is different. There's an option of sound and there's option of someone call ringtone. So I can change here custom ringtone option here. I can change it like that's name a shoe. It will come here like this. So guys, you can just create the ringtone and set it to your caller tune. So friends, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.